Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy and delicious cream cheese appetizer with balsamic jam. This is so delicious and it's perfect for your next event. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. It is so fast and easy. This honestly takes about 5 minutes to make, which is what I love about it because a lot of times we're busy and you have to bring an appetizer, and this is the perfect thing. So we are going to get started with a 1/4 cup of jam of choice. I'm going to be using raspberry jam here, but this would be good with, say, a fig jam, or it would be good with a jalapeno jam, whatever you want. Something that is going to go nicely with balsamic, so raspberry is going to go great with that. So I've got a 1/4 cup of jam. I'm going to put this into a small saucepan here. And I'm going to be heating this with 1 tablespoon of good quality thick balsamic vinegar. So I've got that here. This really adds to the flavor. I'm going to heat that on medium heat on the stove just for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring it constantly just until you've combined the balsamic with the jam. I have a 1/4 cup of pecans here, and I'm just going to chop those up roughly because I'm going to be putting these on top as well. So now we're going to get 1 container, about 200 grams of your favorite vegan cream cheese. So you can either make it, I have a recipe for it, but if you're short on time, you can just buy it, which is what I did. And you just want to spread that around on a small plate, just like this. And then don't worry perfectly about how it looks as long as it's spread around, because we are going to add our topping on top of it. So we are going to add that beautiful balsamic jam mixture from earlier on top. Just spread that around. And then we are going to top with those chopped pecans. Now you can serve this with crackers, crostini, baguette, your favorite bread, whatever you want to dip. It is so good with crackers or bread, and it's great with the gluten-free option as well. This can be made gluten-free if you just serve it with some gluten-free crackers or bread.
Taste test time, let's see.
That's delicious.
Very nice.
I would definitely serve that to guests. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.